Video, I'm going to go over this kind of vacuum food sealer from the company Fresko, I think's what it is. And looking over the back, it automatically vacuums and seals, double weld seams, 30 times vacuum continuously, pulse for manual vacuum, I guess, so you can just keep hitting it. Accessory vacuum system, which is what this thing is. You get 5 of the pre-cut bags, these right here, and then 5 of these 6x10s and 8x12s accessory hose, and that's pretty much it, and a little set of instructions. Now, I already went over this thing and checked it out and actually sealed up this right here. I went ahead and did a test seal on some fittings that I had here, and you can kind of see what it looks like. This is the 8x12 bag. You can see how it does right there. You would cut that off. You can name the contents on there and all that. You get this little kind of manual vacuum. I don't think I'll ever use that. Let me show you exactly what I got it for. So first thing I'm going to seal up, let's go ahead and let's seal up let's do some sweet potatoes. Who doesn't love a pack of sweet potatoes? So I have them right here in a little Ziploc bag. What I'm going to do, now if I wanted to label them, I would go ahead and label it right down here, but it's sweet potatoes. I think I'll be fine. So I'm just going to put them all inside the bag here. So I'm just going to use the auto feature, make sure that it's on. This is ready. This is actually already ready to go. So to use this, all you're going to do when you're using the auto feature, you see the green right here? This will vacuum it and seal it all at the same time. So it's going to do both, just so you know. Now, if I just wanted to seal it, I'd stick it in there, close it down and hold it, and that would be seal it only. But we're going to use the vacuum and seal. So we go right up under there, fits perfectly. Now, as soon as this goes down, there it is. Check that out. Wow, that thing's working great. That's already solid. This is like maybe 20 seconds to do the entire process. That's what I like about it. So I could go off and do other things. This is still working right here, and I'm off doing other things. We'll let it keep going right here. Now, you can't open it. It's actually, the top is locked, so it won't open. I think it just sealed it. Now it's ready to open. Check that out, everybody. Now you want to have a few inches between the actual last bit of your meat or fruit or whatever, right in between there, between your seal. But that is a solid seal. That's solid. And it's like very hard. That is so cool, ain't it? I love seeing vacuum sealed down like that. That looks really good. That worked out perfect. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. Now what I want to use is the sealing feature. So I actually have several chips still left in here. What I'm going to do is cut these right here. I'm not going to vacuum it down. It'll crush them all. So now let's just try the sealing feature. It's just sealing it. That's it. I don't think it. Did it seal it? Oh, it did. Look at that. That's so perfect, everybody. That is a perfect seal. So let's say I wanted to take these to the beach or take them to lunch or something. That bag is completely sealed up. Good job on this thing. Yeah, that worked out great. So yeah, I think this would be a great addition to anyone that just needs to have a good automatic sealer for the kitchen that can pretty much do it all, because you can use this feature right here. So there's some extra little attachments right here. This thing just fits down in there. And all this would do is go for like mason jars. It'd work on a wine bottle or any type of Tupperware where you wanted to get all the air out of the Tupperware. Say you had like chips or something in there. That'd work perfect on that. Automax V2. See y'all in the next video. Automax V2. See y'all in the next video.